welcome to my video. Today we're gonna explode a volcano. And you need a volcano, a disc to catch the lava, you need baking soda and a spoon, and you need food coloring and vinegar. And then you need to take down this. You need to put some in the magma chamber, and you just get all the white stuff off, and then you just start. I'm going to show my little brother Elliot how to explode a volcano. So first we add the baking soda.
What is
Then we put the lid on.
What is that?
And then lava.
What is that?
This is lava.
Do not touch lava.
Yeah, we don't touch lava. That's all that is dangerous. And it keeps on exploding.
So first I go little, then I'll go inside that candle.
Bye, see you later.